you know, not sure I ever bothered to film this. This is Gap at the Walt Whitman Mall. ThyssenKrupp is what this is. Naturally, it is not here. It's like a USB port, 50-50 chance, and not it. You are working, right? Yep. You are working. This might be a vertical express. Back to one we go. I think most of the store is actually up here. One's pretty decent. It is a little slow going down. It's smooth. Pretty sure this is a vertical express installed by Island. And it'll go up one more time, because why not? There's our stop switch for Falachi there. A little bit of that, a little bit of a jolt as the door opens. Which you get on a lot of TKs, or a good number of TKs. All right, you guys get the point. Okay. That's it.